This is something you won't see in the United States, and that's, well, you won't see that either, but water's running uphill. You got to see this to believe it. They just kind of pan up here. I don't know if you can see that. You get down real close to it. But the water is actually running uphill. I can't see any jets on it. I mean, this makes absolutely no sense. This is messed up. Well, I just about messed myself up. Okay. Let's see if I can get a better angle here. You can see a little bit of it in the light. See, stuff's floating upstream. No jets and nothing. I can't figure this out. I mean, it's going up at a pretty good pace too. And it's not just a little bit, it just keeps going up and up and up. Look at that. That is absolutely amazing. And it just keeps going all the way up. And even beyond the turn there, it keeps going up further. Let's see if I can zoom in on it a little bit. And I'll just walk along here a little bit. I mean, this is screwed up. Oh, here you can see it real good.